Hello, welcome to another exciting series. In today's series, we will be solving a practical change of subject question in mathematics. Right. So let's quickly delve into the series, right? So make kill the subject of the relation z equals c multiplying the root square of k square plus 60j, right? So z equals to c multiplying the root square of k square plus 60j, right? So let's quickly solve it. So based upon the preamble of our question, we were given z or z to be equal to c multiplying the root square k square plus 60g, right? And when you have a question like this, what you have to do is to square every side of the equation. So you square every side of the equation. So we have three sides of the equation. We have the root square k square plus 60g. We have c, okay, and we also have z or z, right? So we have three sets of variables in the equation. So we square both sides, and we do this to eliminate the root square, right? So we square so we squared every side of the equation just to eliminate the root square, right? So this root square here, we want to eliminate it, okay? So that's why we square both sides of the equation. So in eliminating the equation, right, this square would cancel itself out, one, to cancel the root square out, one, okay, leaving our equation to be z square equals c square multiplying k square plus 6eg, right? So we expand, right? Afterwards, we do some expansion. So z square equals c square multiplying k square will give you c square k square, right? C square multiplying positive 60j will give you positive 60 c square j, right? So then we group like terms, okay? So we want K to be the subject of the relation, so we give it a fertile ground by letting it stand on alone, right? Even if it is even if it is a dependent variable, we let it stand on it too, so that we work it out for us to get or for us to make Q the subject of the relation. So we can only see Q in c square k square here, right? So we maintain it, right? So the other variables which do not contain k, our intended subject of the equation, right? We group like terms for those variables, right? So those variables are s square and positive 60 c square j, right? So we maintain z square, right? So z square is a positive number, so we maintain it. And positive 60 c squared j is a negative number. It's a positive number, sorry. So when it crosses the equal to sign, right? Whenever any number crosses an equal to sign, it will change its form, right? So if it is a positive number, it will become a negative number. If it is a negative number, it will become a positive number. So 60 c squared j is a positive number. It will change its form to become a negative number when it crosses the equal to sign. So we have our new equation to be z squared minus 60 c squared j equals c squared q squared, right? So that's our new equation. And we want to make Q the subject of the relation, right? But Q is not independent. It is dependent on C squared, right? So what we have to do is to do some cancellations, right? So we cancel out the dependent variable, which is C squared, from Q squared, right? So when we do the cancellations, whatever we do for the right hand side, we do same for the left hand side. Okay, that's the rule in mathematics. So whatever action you take for for a given equation, okay, which have two halves, right, which has two halves, right, what you do for the right hand side, you do same for the left hand side. So we are canceling out the left hand side with c square, right? So we do same for the we are canceling out the right hand side with c squared, so we do same for the left hand side, right? So we are going to have our new equation to be the fraction z squared minus 60 c squared j over c squared equals to q squared, right? And one thing you have to notice is that there is square here, right? So that means q is still not independent, so we can't make it the subject of the relation. So we have to take some actions, right? And whenever you see squares, right? Okay, so a square of a number, and you want to eliminate it, just as when you see a root square and you want to eliminate it, you square it. In similar fate, when you see a square number and you want to eliminate it, you engage the root square in order to cancel out and make or in order to cancel out and eliminate the square, right? So that means we have to employ the root square on both sides, because I told you earlier on that whatever you do for the right hand side, do same for the left hand side. So we would be initiating the root square for the right side of the equation, right? So we do same for the left side of the equation. Okay, so in doing so, we have our new equation to be the root square q square equals the root square, the fraction z square minus 60 c square j over c square, right? So these two, we are trying to eliminate the square, right? So this square will cancel the root square, right? Leaving q alone. So we have our q to be the root square, right, of so we have our q to be the root square of the fraction z square minus 60 c square j over c square, right? So that's our final answer. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.